Okay, here's our question for today. It's kind of a quick one. We've got two numbers in scientific notation being divided by each other. So 4.8 times 10 to the negative 7th divided by 1.6 times 10 to the negative 11th. If you want to try to work this one now, pause the video. Now, when we are dividing numbers in scientific notation, all we have to do really is divide the number part by the number part and divide the power of 10 by the other power of 10. And we can just do those individually. Now, some of you probably have calculators that if you plug this in for you, it will give you an answer in scientific notation already. So that's great, and you could just work it out that way. But say you didn't have a calculator like that, 4.8 divided by 1.6. You could do that in your calculator, and you should get 3.0, or just 3, okay? Now, 10 to the negative 7th divided by 10 to the negative 11th. You have to remember your powers of exponents rules, especially when they're being divided. So when I'm dividing two powers that have the same base, we keep the base the same and we subtract the exponents. And it's always the numerator minus the denominator. So in this case, it's going to be 10 raised to the negative 7th minus negative 11. So again, quick little math here. Minus negative 11 is the same thing as adding 11. And negative 7 plus 11 is 4. So the correct answer here should be 3.0 times 10 to the 4th, which is A. Now something that you may need to be careful of on a different problem is for a number to be in scientific notation, the number part here must be between 1 and 10. Now it can be 1, but it can't be 10. So the real technical way to write that is x is greater than or equal to 1, or x is less than 10. So the number part must always be between 1 and 10. That did not give me a problem this time because once I divided, I got 3. But say you divided and you got a number that was less than 1, then you would have to do a little manipulating of this number to get it to a different number in scientific notation.